Hi students, now we are going to derive the expression for the average kinetic energy per mole of a gas. Now for that, let us assume small m is the mass of one molecule of the gas. Then P is the pressure exerted by the gas, and the RMS velocity Vrms is square root of V square average, that is the RMS velocity of the molecules. And small n is equal to total number of molecules divided by the volume. So this is called as number density, that is number of molecules per unit volume. Now for 1 mole, how many number of molecules will be there in any gas is equal to Avogadro number Na. If you multiply the number of molecules with the mass of one molecule, that is capital M, that is called as molar mass of the gas. Molar mass of the gas. Now let us begin the derivation with the expression for the pressure exerted by the gas is equal to what? 1 by 3 N into M into V square average. And this is also equal to 1 by 3 into capital N divided by V into M V square bar. Now for 1 mole, if you take 1 mole of the gas means, then the number of molecules N can be replaced by what? Na. So this is now equal to, that is P is now equal to 1 by 3 into Na, Avogadro number, by V into M V square average. Now shift this 3V to the left hand side. So now the left hand side becomes 3 into PV is equal to Na into M. Na, number of molecules in 1 mole, multiplied by mass of 1 molecule into V square average. Now this Avogadro number into mass of 1 molecule can be replaced by capital M. So I will write now 3PV is equal to capital M into V square average. Then I am going to divide by 2 on both sides. So this 3 by 2 PV is equal to 1 by 2 M V square average. So we have considered 1 mole of a gas. Now PV, the relationship between PV RT from the ideal gas equation, this is also equal to mu times RT. But for 1 mole, the number of moles mu should be substituted by 1. So PV is equal to what? PV is now equal to 1 into RT. So this is RT. So left hand side now, instead of a PV I can also substitute the RT. So 3 by 2 RT is equal to 1 by 2 M V square average. This molar mass into V square average divided by 2 only is called as what? Average kinetic energy per mole. Therefore, the average kinetic energy per mole of the gas is now equal to half mv square, or this is also equal to what? 3 by 2 R into T. So this is the final expression required. For a single molecule we substituted here what? 3 by 2 kT, isn't it? Now for 1 mole it is what? 3 by 2 RT. That is only difference between the kinetic energy for a single molecule and for 1 mole of the gas. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.